Good morning. This is Dan, from the National Weather Service in Grand Forks. I would like to discuss the winter weather the next few days. The light snow we have out during the morning hours today will gradually end, and more importantly, second push of Arctic air will move in starting tonight and last through New Year's Day. For this morning, the impacts will be some scattered snow on the roads, so some icy spots. The impacts for Friday night, in particular through Sunday, will be very low wind chills, as low as -50. For today, we do have the light snow that will be tapering off and ending from west to east. The snow is quite fine in nature and thus accumulating very slowly, with most areas getting 1 inch or less, with isolated 2-inch amounts in the Southern Valley in the Minnesota Lakes region. Southerly winds near 20 miles per hour will occur early this morning, particularly in the Southern Valley, which would lead to some light blowing snow. The main story will be the return of some very cold air. The colder air will start coming in tonight and Friday, with Friday night's lows dropping back into the -20s across the entire area. And even colder air expected to be coming in Saturday and Saturday night, so that by Sunday morning, low temperatures will be -25 to -35 across the area. So Saturday night, Sunday morning is likely to be the coldest temperatures that we have seen yet this winter. I wouldn't be surprised to see a -40 or so in some of the very colder spots. Boston, Bemidji, Red Lake, Lake of the Woods, and a few spots around Kansas, Park River. Some of those areas will get down possibly as low as -40. And as you look ahead to New Year's Eve at midnight, still very cold. The actual air temperatures will be generally -15 to -20 in most areas. Wind chill values -35 to -40. Winds will be pretty light New Year's Eve, but still just enough of a wind to cause a wind chill. The lowest wind chills we have for the period will be generally Saturday and Sunday mornings, and just enough wind, 8 to 15 miles per hour, to cause many areas to drop into the -45, -52-degree wind chill range for both Saturday and Sunday mornings. This is a bit lower than what we had a few days ago. So it's important to realize that this cold air coming in is colder in temperature and wind chills than what we just went through. Obviously the impact certainly is hypothermia, particularly with the New Year's Eve coming up. Dress warmly if you're going to be outside, and just practice your winter safety, and try to limit your outdoor activity to as much as possible. And that will do it. This has been Dan from the Weather Service in Grand Forks. Stay warm. We do have a bit of moderation in the temperatures coming around the 3rd, 4th, and 5th of January. So this extreme cold will not last a whole lot longer. And certainly seeing 0 again will make everything seem warm in comparison to what we will be going through.